So, towing, first time towing with the tractor behind it. Tractor weighing about 1600, 1700 kgs and the trailer weighing 900 kgs. So I'm towing about 2500. It's quite a decent weight. I'm currently in low gear. Let's put it in. Okay, first gear, up a hill. Clutch had needed a little time. Here we go. Just take it easy. Yeah, that's easy. I notice towing with the Chevy V8, because of the weight of the engine, the increased weight, it's more relaxing to tow because you have more. You can put more tongue weight behind it without the truck becoming unstable. It's really stable actually, considering its wheelbase. So much more relaxing than with the 3.5. It's just, I'm not going past 3000 RPM while towing. Pretty sure fuel consumption while towing is pretty bad. So I can just keep up with normal traffic while towing. Okay, back to third. And low RPM, accelerating. km/h means I'm actually doing 80 and the speed limit is 90, so it's fine. It's pretty good, pretty nice. So almost halfway. All going well. Temperatures are fine, pressures are fine. Yeah. Have a little pseudo cruise control installed. Take the ease of my knee, and we're slowly getting there. 90 km/h. Man, this is getting hot. Engine still runs cool though. Let me just still doing the Deutsch. Let's go.